Bonjour Patrick, bonjour Cathy, bonjour à tous. J'espère que vous allez bien, bien de l'autre côté de l'océan. Je suis là avec vous, avec ma grande tasse de café. Et aujourd'hui, nous fêtons Noël. Donc, nous sommes le 24, ici en Belgique, le matin, très tôt au matin. Okay, and so we're going to continue the reading of Tintin. And then remember, Tintin was watching those bandits, those drug trafficking people. You see, they're loading the boat. And so he says, Attention, les voilà. Watch out, there they are. Ce sont les derniers. These are the last. Oui, encore ceci à charger et nous pouvons partir. Yes, those, ceci means those left to load, hein, charger, to charge or to load, and we can leave. You see Tintin here, he's running, and then those people, they're loading the barrels in the boat. Jusqu'ici, tout va bien. Until here, everything goes well. On vide le tonneau de l'opium qu'il contient, on s'y installe et le tour est joué. So we empty the barrel of opium that it contained or contains, and we installer means, well, we install, we put ourselves inside, hein, to install, et le tour est joué, and it's done. In French, you will say, and the tour is played. Well, it's more like, and the trick is played. But so it's done. Et voilà, on peut y aller. So that's it. We can go. And then you see the truck is leaving. Pendant ce temps-là, during that time, vous avez eu tort de vous attaquer à moi, mon cher Wang. So here we have the verb avoir tort. Hein? Tort means you're not right, you're wrong. So you have been wrong. But watch out, it's not the verb to be in French, it's the verb to have. So you have had wrong. That's how you would say it in French. To attack me, my dear Wang. Grand tort. Very wrong. Maintenant, il est trop tard, il va falloir mourir. Now it is too late. It's going to be necessary to die, mourir. Vous souriez? You're smiling? Vous croyez, n'est-ce pas, que comme dans un bon roman policier, le héros va surgir au tout dernier moment et va vous sauver la vie. So you believe, isn't it, that as in a good police novel, the hero is going to surgir, appear suddenly at the very last moment and is going to save you your life. Laissez-moi rire, let me laugh. Alors qu'il est, le héros Tintin est déjà en mon pouvoir. So at the time that it is, at the time being, the hero Tintin is already in my power. Voilà au moins 2 heures que l'on roule. Je me demande où l'on va. So you see Tintin here, he's hidden in the barrel. And he says, well, there you see at least 2 hours that we're driving. Hein, rouler, rolling, but it means driving. I wonder, je me demande, I wonder, so I ask myself, where we're going. Abandonnez donc tout espoir. So abandon or let go all hope. Les Chinois, dit-on, n'ont pas peur de la mort. The Chinese, they say, are not scared of death. Eh bien, je vous ai réservé une fin digne de vous. And well, I have kept a, let me see, une fin digne de vous. An ending which is worthy of you. Ah, now I understand. Votre fils, Wang, votre propre fils, dans sa folie, va vous couper la tête à tous. So your son, Wang, your own son, in his folly, in his madness, is going to cut the head of all of you. Hein? Vous tous, of all of you. Vous imaginez-vous la scène? Do you imagine the scene? Votre épouse, Tintin, et vous décapité par votre fils. So your spouse, Tintin, and you may be decapitated, but I would say beheaded, huh? Beheaded, to cut the head by your son. Yeah, that's very awful. Ah, c'est toi, Yamato. Ah, it's you, Yamato. Tout a bien marché? Everything worked well? Well, in French, you would say marched well, but means functioned well, went well. Comme sur des roulettes, maître. S on wheels. Hein? It wasn't like on wheels, so very easy. Master, les tonneaux sont ici à côté. The barrels are here next door. Passez, cher monsieur. Please go, dear sir. Il ne faut pas que vous manquiez ce spectacle. So, il ne faut pas, that's the expression meaning you shouldn't miss the show. Hein? Le spectacle, the show. Nous allons rire. We're going to laugh. C'est celui-ci, maître. It's this one, master. Il est marqué d'une croix. It is marked, it is indicated by a cross. Mon cher monsieur Tintin, vous êtes arrivé à destination. Oh, so he knew Tintin was in there. Oh my God. So, my dear Sir Tintin, you have arrived at destination. You see, Tintin seems a little bit surprised. J'ai l'impression que tu ne t'attendais pas à être accueilli de la sorte, pas vrai? So, I have the impression that you didn't expect, so s'attendre as to expect, to be welcomed in that way. Not true? En effet, indeed, je savais bien que tu donnerais dans le panneau. I knew very well that you donnerais, it's a conditional sentence, that you would fall in the trap. Hein? Dans le panneau is in the trap. Tu étais au Lotus Bleu hier soir, n'est-ce pas? You were at the Blue Lotus yesterday night, isn't it? Et tu as sans doute bien ri de notre méprise. And you have, without doubt, well laughed with our mistake. Et puis, tu as entendu les ordres que j'ai donnés à Yamato. Et tu es sorti. And then you have heard, or you heard, the orders that I have given to Yamato, and you have left. You went outside. That's true. You remember? Tintin was in the Lotus Bleu, hein, the Blue Lotus. And so, okay. Jusque-là, tout allait bien pour toi. Until there, everything went well for you. Mais un de mes hommes t'a vu sortir et m'a immédiatement averti. But one of my men has seen you sortir, go out, and has immediately warned, and that's the verb avertir, warned me. Je me suis dit que tu ne laisserais certainement pas échapper une si belle occasion. Et je t'ai tendu un piège. So I said to myself that you, we have again a conditional tense, wouldn't let, certainly not escape, no, maybe not escape, you would not avoid, or you would not miss, that's maybe the word, you wouldn't miss a so beautiful, what should we say? Not occasion, but opportunity. That's the word I was trying to find. So you would take that opportunity. And I set un piège, a trap for you. Il a suffi de te laisser faire, de laisser un tonneau ouvert, et tout s'est passé comme je l'avais prévu. It was sufficient to let you do, to leave a barrel open, and everything has happened as I had prévu, foreseen it. Pas mal joué, Monsieur Mitsuerato. Not badly played, Mr. Mitsuerato. Vous êtes très fort. You are very good or very strong. Hein? Fort, very strong, powerful. Plus fort, en tout cas, que tu ne le croyais. Stronger, in any case, than you believed. Ah, voilà un de tes vieux amis qui n'a pas voulu manquer le spectacle de ton exécution. Ah, there is one of your old friends who has not wanted to miss the show of your execution. Aha, who will be there? Ah, look who's there. Voici l'homme, grand maître. Here is the man, grand master. Parfait, perfect. Monsieur Rastapopoulos. Oui, Rastapopoulos. Roberto Rastapopoulos. À qui tu as mis des bâtons dans les roues depuis si longtemps? To whom you have put des bâtons, sticks, in the wheels since so long. Rastapopoulos, le chef du trafic international des stupéfiants. So, the chief of the international trafficking of stupéfiants is drugs. Rastapopoulos qui est tombé dans les rochers près de Rauhachputala. So Rastapopoulos who has fallen from the rocks near Rauhachputala. Et que tu croyais mort, and that you believed dead. Rastapopoulos qui a la vie dure, comme tu le vois, et qui finit toujours par triompher. So Rastapopoulos who has a hard life, as you see, and who not finishes, ends up always to triumph. Vous, le chef de cette bande, est-ce possible? You are the chief of this gang? Is that possible? Fais entrer les deux autres, Yamato. Make the two others come in, Yamato. Ah, tu n'es pas convaincu? Ah, you are not convinced? Regarde, look. Me crois-tu maintenant? Do you believe me now? Le signe du pharaon Kiosk. They put the number 2. Let's check what is number 2. I think it's at the end of the page. Yes, you see, there was also 1 and 2, which was from Les Cigares du Pharaon. Yes, that's where we saw them. Okay, so Pharaon Kiosk comes from that book. We read it already together, so okay. There comes in the sun, and then the wife of Wang. You see, all madness, all madness. Tiens, prends ceci, c'est pour toi. Here, take this, it's for you. He's taking the sword. Lao Tse l'a dit. So Lao Tse said it. Il faut trouver la voie. You have to find your voice. No, it's not your voice. Not at all, not at all. You have to find your way in life. Moi, je l'ai trouvé. Me, I have found it. C'est très simple. Je vais vous couper la tête. It's very simple. I'm going to cut you your head. So I'm going to cut your head. Alors vous aussi, vous connaîtrez la vérité. So you also, you will know the truth. Sid really scared because he's dangerous with his sword. Est-ce qu'il ne peut pas devenir dangereux pour nous? Isn't he? No, is he? No, can he not? Hein, il ne peut pas. Can he not become dangerous for us? Oh, seulement lorsqu'il en aura terminé avec eux. Et à ce moment, Yamato se chargera de lui. Oh, only when he will have terminated or finished with them. And at that moment, Yamato will take care of him. Hein, se charger de, take care of him. You see the three, they are watching. And then Wang's son is going to take their heads off. Ah, someone's shooting. Ah, see? Sword is broken in two. Who is there? Bravo, Chang. Well done, Chang. Oh, les mains. Hands up, you see? This is Chang Milou. And then he got some help, you know, all people with pistols. Victoire, victory. Eh bien, mon cher Chang, il était -5. Well, my dear Chang, it was -5. -5 means it was almost too late. J'ai cru que tu n'avais pas réussi. I believed that you had not réussi, succeeded. Look at Milou, he's so happy to see Tintin. Si, tout s'est passé à merveille. Yes, everything happened marvelously well. L'équipage du Marika Maru, or maybe Arika Maru, n'a pas eu le temps de dire ouf. So the crew of this boat, Arika Maru, hasn't had the time to say ouf. So it went very quickly. That's what means they did not have the time to say ouf. It went very quickly. Ma vieillesse Chang s'incline respectueusement devant ta jeune audace. My old age Chang inclines itself respectfully in front of your audacity, your young audacity. Vous voilà libre, madame. There you are free, madam. Et voilà, messieurs. And there you are, sirs. À mon tour, monsieur Mitsuerato, de vous donner quelques explications. So it's my turn, Mr. Mitsuerato, to give you a few explanations. Comment avez-vous été assez candide pour croire que je viendrais naïvement me jeter dans la gueule du loup? So how have you been candid enough, naive enough, to believe that I would come naively to throw myself in the mouth of the wolf? Vous me jugez donc si simple d'esprit, so you judge me so simple of mind. Sachez que je n'ignorais pas qu'on m'avait vu sortir du lotus bleu. Know that I didn't ignore that they had seen me sortir, go out of the blue lotus. Malgré cela, j'ai décidé de me rendre au hangar numéro 9. Mais j'ai pris mes précautions. So, malgré cela, what shall I say? Nevertheless, I have decided to me rendre à, to go to the warehouse, number 9, but I have taken my precautions. Hier, dans la soirée, l'équipage du haricot, non, haricot means a bean in French, I'm sorry. L'équipage du Harika Maru a été surpris par les fils du dragon. So the crew of the Harika Maru has been surprised by the sons of the dragon. Et mis au fer à fond de cale. Ah, and they have been put. Offert means, what shall I say? Well, in iron, but it really means in chains, à fond de cale, down in the hold of the boat. So the crew, they were also bandits, were put down in the hold. Une partie de nos amis s'est cachée dans les tonneaux qui devaient vous être remis. So a part of our friends were hidden in the barrels who or which had to be remis, given to you. Les autres ont attendu l'arrivée de vos hommes à qui ils ont prêté main forte pour le débarquement des tonneaux. So the others have waited the arrival of your man, to whom they have given main forte. Well, they helped a hand, they gave, they helped them. Prêter main forte means to help. To débarquement, for the unloading of the barrels. Vous savez le reste. You know the rest. So now Tintin, you see, he told the story. I hope you understand it. If you don't, please ask me, because it's not so complicated, but there's a lot of text. So if it's in French, maybe for you, it's not that easy. Que 3 hommes restent ici pour surveiller les prisonniers. Let 3 men stay here to do the surveillance of the prisoners. Les autres fouilleront la maison. The others will search the house. Chang et moi, nous irons de ce côté-ci. So Chang and me, we will go to this side. And you see, Chang and Tintin are discovering even another room, opening a door. Where is it leading? Going through another door, and then there's a staircase. Going up the stairs, then they're seeing some light. See, the safe is opening. Ah, ça, par exemple, nous sortons par un coffre-fort. Well, that, for example, it's a way of saying, I shouldn't translate it. We are coming out through a safe, un coffre-fort. It's a safe. Quelle drôle d'odeur! What a funny smell! On dirait, one would think, de l'opium, n'est-ce pas? It's opium, isn't it? See, they're going to look behind the curtains and see where they are. Le lotus bleu, they are in the blue lotus. Okay, I hope you enjoyed reading with me. I'm going to cook now the whole day because tonight we have the big dinner. I love to cook. I love to prepare. I hope you will enjoy also those Christmas days. And then next week, we are going to read the last part of this book. So if you have suggestions for the next book, please don't hesitate. But anyhow, I wish you already a very, very Merry Christmas and see you next week.